Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix date and time keeps resetting by itself in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your date and time are keeping resetting. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can go to your settings app here, just open settings, and here go to time and language, select date and time, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set your time automatically. And in your time zone, you have selected your own time zone. You have to make sure it's not enabled to set time zone automatically. You have to disable this, select your time zone from here, and then enable this toggle. Now, once you have done, just click on this sync now option. Make sure you're connected to internet. It will sync your date and time settings like your time zone and your date and time from here. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue or if your date and time are still being resetted, so you just have to press Windows plus R and just search for or enter the command services.msc. Enter this command and press OK or click OK or press enter from your keyboard. Now once you are here, single click on any service and press W from your keyboard to access W menu. Now just select Windows time here. It's the Windows time. Double click on it to open properties. Now here in startup type, you have to make sure that it's selected automatic and then click apply and then OK. Once you have done, just right click on it and click on start. After starting the service, you have to have a restart with this. Just right click on it and click on restart. Then once you have restarted, your Windows time service will be resetted and this time your issue will be completely fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.